We learned about an hour ago that Maya Kowalski's case was up on appeal. JHACH appealed. And the appeals court, have overturned it. And it's sending it back to the lower court, to the trial court again. And it's gutted. The only thing that the trial court now is allowed to consider from the parties is things that directly had to do with Maya Kowalski. They can't bring in Mrs. Kowalski, the family suffering. The trial court can now only consider what directly happened to Maya. Because the claim is that the trial judge erred in several directed verdicts, where the appeals court say that Judge Tuft misinterpreted law and statute. So they threw everything out except things that directly had to do with Maya. And it's disheartening, because without the other factors, it might be harder to show the damage to Maya. And also now when it's sent back to the lower court, to the trial court, they start over. It took them 7 years to get to trial. And now they have to start over. And this, now Maya doesn't have the trial team she had anymore. And that's a problem. So I don't know what's going to happen going forward. I honestly don't know. It is we all cheered for Maya when they won, because what JHACH did to her is beyond evil. It is indescribable what they did to her. Just because they thought better. They thought they were gods who could interpret everything, and their first notion was, oh, abuse. And they stuck to it regardless of what the actual evidence showed. And what was that case handler? That evil woman who denied Maya her religion. And that, by the way, that person is still working for JHACH. Still removing children from their parents. And I'm sure they find actually abused children. But I doubt it is as many as they claim, because these so-called child abuse specialist whatevers, it's a self-serving position. In order for them to keep their well-paid jobs, they have to find it. It is the core of their salary. They have to find it. So they do. And with Maya, it had insane consequences. Absolutely insane consequences. And it's is I don't know what to say. I do not know what to say.